how to create a Shopee affiliate account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Shopee affiliate account. First, open your web browser. Here, search for Shopee Affiliate. Here, you will get to see a link for Shopee Affiliate Program. Click on this link of the Shopee Affiliate Program. Now, what you need to do is register for the Shopee Affiliate Program. Fill in the required information on this page, including your account type, phone number, contact email, email verification code, and referral code if you have any. Once you're done adding your info, mark this checkbox to agree with the given terms and conditions. Lastly, click on Submit. The Shopee team will go through your application and will contact you back. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.